Divas, this is Wanda from Wanda's Workbasket for all things creative and crafty with a little bit of inspiration mixed in. Today I have a special guest with me, my granddaughter Crystal.
Hi.
It's Crystal. And I have a brand new Dreamer Design canvas. It was a special, like you pay for it and wait for it type of deal, and it finally came in, and I cannot wait to show it to you. Now, if I can get the plastic off without ripping through it. It does come with a plastic shield on it so that if your delivery guy leaves it out in the rain, which sometimes happens, your kit will not be, here, pull that off and throw that out. Okay, okay, so noticing the outside of the box, the brand new box, am I in the middle here? It comes with a new picture that wraps all the way around to the three sides. Premium diamond painting canvas, dreamerdesigns.com. Why do we paint? Reduce stress and anxiety, improves your focus, helps your fine motor skills, increases your social circle, and helps spark creativity. I agree with all that. And on the other side it tells you, it gives you a Scan Me, redeem for 15% off. Holy Hannah, 15% off? You never get that kind of deal. Anyway, it features sparkling diamonds with AB, Aurora Borealis, accents, which is just very sparkly diamonds. Legally licensed images, which means they pay their creators for using their image. Full drill. Diamonds fill the entire canvas. A soft fabric canvas with poured glue, yes. A lifetime warranty with insurance. You know, if the dog knocks your gems off onto the floor, you can call them and say, hey, I'm sorry, this messed up for me. On the back of the box, you have a mini how it works way to do it. You have, this kit contains soft fabric, I just read them all out on the other side, didn't I? Pre-sorted diamond pieces, 2 stylus pens with multi-head options, 2 wax caddies, diamond tray with separators, well, that's new. Diamond straightener tool, oh cool. Black diamond tweezer, extra Ziploc bags, resealable toolkit bag, resealable carry bag, an instruction guide. And I did notice that they kept the handle on the box, but it's not as stiff as the last one. This one folds flush with it, so it doesn't like create a bump. On the one end, you have a picture of the actual, what the canvas is going to look like. So let's open it up and see what's in here. How about it? It's got a one thing, yeah, it opens up on both sides, but I like to open it on the side with the picture, and you know, you have this little tongue that you have to pull out first, and then you can open it this way. And what do we have here?
I'll hold the box.
Hold the box. Ta-da! Okay, it's got the mesh outer bag. It's not a soft fuzzy one, but it is branded with the Dreamer Designs on the end of it, and it's to keep all your goodies clean.
It's double sealed.
You want to pull that one away?
Sealed on the outside or sealed on the inside?
Right, yeah, it is. Sealed on both sides.
Cool.
Isn't that neat? It's got a ribbon, purple ribbon on it. This is the kit. Feel this.
Whoa, that's actually like very silky.
Very silky, very silky. It's like a flannel. It's like a brushed cotton. And I'm going to open this up, and Crystal will describe all the goodies you find inside. I'm going to move the painting over a little bit.
Okay.
Whoa!
There's a little brush that has a hand on the top. Little hand, but it has a little brush.
I'll show you how to use that in a minute.
We got 2
pots of wax.
2 pots of wax.
That's a divider for the tray. 2 dividers, so you can use 3 colors at once if you want.
And then we got 1 pen and...
They're both pens. What's different about them?
One doesn't have a metal tip and it's like plastic.
And you know why? Because that doesn't scrape the extra coating off of the AB drills. Off of the shiny drills, it doesn't scrape them.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And then we got a
Thick four placer.
thick four placer, and it is see-through.
Yeah.
The pens are also like a little bit glittery.
Yeah, a little bit sparkly.
We got one four placer. Then we got another one which is a
Two.
two.
Right, two placer.
A two placer that is kind of see-through, but it's
Like the normal plastic.
yeah.
And there's another one in there.
Oh yeah, and then this one is a divider.
Well, now that one is a scraper here. Put it in my hand.
Oh yeah, a scraper.
This helps straighten your drills. When you put it on the end of your pen, it's an attachment for your pen. You just slide this between the drills and they kind of straighten out the rows. That's what that's for. I love them.
Then we got two squish things for your pens so you don't hurt your hands.
That's right.
Very squishy. And it's very purple. And then you got a tweezer with a cap on it so you don't stab yourself.
Yep.
Love the tweezers.
Very sharp tweezers. Love the tweezers.
And then we got some baggies, which there's a lot of.
There's a lot of baggies.
And then there's a baggie holding a baggie. And then we got a diamond.
Yeah, purple tray. Yeah.
And it comes up.
Yep, it pops.
It pops off. And
Yeah, that's right. I'm going to show them a little bit better here. They can't see it with your fingers. See that? It's got a little gate on the bottom that you pop the gate up. And that's where your drills fall out. And it's got a little slidey gate there. And now I'm going to show them what these are for. Okay? If you want more than one color of diamond in your tray at the same time, when you multi-place, when you have confetti, sometimes you like more than one color in at a time. That's for 2 colors. For 3 colors, I'll put them like this. Now you can put 3 colors in your tray.
It's messed up. Oh, now I made more.
That's right. Oh. So, while she puts those goodies back in the little
it also
bag.
has a label on the back.
Yep.
The same thing on the bag.
Yep.
And it's also purple and very glittery.
Yeah, purple glittery. No, everybody loves purple glitter.
I love purple. Purple's my favorite color.
Oh, well then this is perfect for you to show with me.
Yep. I'm just gonna keep the things on it.
That's
So
good.
it makes it even
And I like the way the pens fit in the tray so that it doesn't make the bumpies, they can slide them all in. The same thing. Okay, as you're doing that, I'm going to try to slide out the drills so we can see what the drills look like. Okay, this is a new instruction book. It says Paint with Passion, Instructions on How to Diamond Paint. It's the first time I'm seeing all this too. It says thank you for your purchase on here. And remember, there's a 15% off on the box. And tips and tricks on how to use a multi-placer, how the checkerboard technique works, and I have that in a different video. Close the caddy, the wax caddy from drying out. Prevents static cling with the dryer sheet. It's got little tips on it. Instructions on actually how to do it. 15% off your next purchase. Again, use this coupon code, thank you 15. Oh my gosh. Other companies only give 10. Thank you, Dreamer Design, for 15. And then it gives you the community information on the back. So that's that instruction kit. Love it, love it. These are round drills. These are round drills, so I'll show you these next. I know you want to see the kit, but you will see the kit, trust me. Alright, that's the drill pack. And let's see the Dreamer Designs. I don't know how many ABs, we're going to try to count them and see if we find them all, alright? We're going to open up the drill trains here and see. Alright, well right here. Or should I bring you down to me? Okay. We have the white AB and a yellow AB. Look at the bright yellow. I love Dreamer Designs because it's saturated colors. A train mover. Need your help. There we go. Ignore that truck in the background. Maybe I'll put some music in the background so that you don't hear the stupid truck. Yep, we've got the 2 ABs, yep.
I love the ABs.
Yeah, me too.
They're very sparkly, I love them.
Me too. Let's see if I can straighten these trains out here. There we go. I don't see another AB, but they're beautiful colors for sure.
I pulled them up for them.
Alright. Green. Red. Oh, look at that bright colors. Alright. As long as they can see. Yep, I think we're going to get another AB in this train. Okay, this purple is shinier than normal. The mauve. The pink is shiny. Yep. The green is shiny. The orange is shiny. And the purple is shiny. That's like 7 already.
Yep.
7! I'm impressed. 7 ABs. Let's see if I'm right when we open the canvas up. Am I in the shot? Yep. Here we go. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Yeah, look at these colors. Oh my gosh, and that's a dark green.
I love them.
There's every color in the rainbow in this, guys. Every color in the rainbow. Let me pull you out. Out, not in. So you can see the canvas.
Oh, and then we put the back of the bag. Or is this the bag?
Well, we can put them back in the bag in a minute because they crinkled so much that. All right. I'm going to roll it the other way so it lies flat. It is poured glue, so you can do that. Poured glue with the plastic top on it is what you need. All right. Ta-da! Isn't it beautiful? Look at this. These are pansies.
It has glitter on the outside too.
Yes, this canvas is glittery. And the other canvases are too from different companies, but this one is 43 colors. And let's count the ABs at the bottom. They have AB 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We were right. We got them all. So we have pinks, a mauve, an orange, a green, a yellow, a white. Look at the colors. This is going to be a dream to do, isn't it? Oh man.
We gotta try to find them colors.
They give you a new, this is another feature of the newness here. They give you a sticker sheet that has a sticker you can peel off. This is by Alyssa Carey, K-A-R-I. A New Day, it's called. It's a group of pansies. It's around 50 by 40 centimeters. You have a start and end date if you want there. And then all these other stickers. I love diamond painting sticker and 3 other round diamond stickers on the bottom. That's fun. And all these little individual ones you can use to kit up. Isn't that cool? Oh, you want to see that closer? These are the other stickers. That's the big sticker for the middle. And there are the labels. Very cool, very cool. Very neat. The stickers are a little bit like boogered together here. I might just cut this minute out here. Okay. All right, Crystal, what do you notice about the canvas?
That it's all flowers and that there's mostly pink than any other color that I see from my angle. And I think it's going to be very, very neat.
Do you find the number 3 anywhere? It's a pink 3.
Yep, right there.
Yep, in the edges of the flowers. How about letter C?
Letter C, right there.
Yep, there's some there. There's some up in here.
B. B is
Okay,
red.
B. B is in the green. Yep. There's a lot of B's in the green. There's a dark orange S, letter S.
Right there.
In the middle of the flowers, yes. dark orange in there. Awesome. There's a purple G, a light purple G.
Light
Stupid trucks.
purple G.
A light purple G.
I can't find them. Right there.
Ah, okay. So it's in part of the, maybe it's this color in here. The light purple area.
It's everywhere.
And two more. There's a white O.
A white
That's
O.
in the middle
right
of the white flowers there.
Yes.
And a yellow M.
Yellow M should be right there.
Yep. This is going to be sparkly all over the canvas, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful.
And I love
Another
it already.
reason to love this.
I love it already.
We might start on it yet this afternoon.
Yep.
We might just do that. Because this is gorgeous. I love the new kit, the extras in the kit. I love the new sticker. I love the canvas, the colors, the amount of ABs in this one. I love that you get an extra pen with the tip on it that doesn't let you scratch the ABs on it. I like the divider in the tray.
And I love how it gives you a tweezers.
Yes, and it gives you a tweezers, even though it's round. It gives you a tweezers. They don't help as much, but I think they're just putting them in every kit now
Yeah. So
for
if
dreamer
there's
designs.
if there's like a bubble on the thing, you can put the tweezers in it.
You could, but with the poured glue, there won't be any bubbles in the canvas.
Yeah. But
Is it
that
sticky?
Yep.
Yep, it's sticky.
It's very, very sticky. My
Very
finger almost touched to it.
And these diamonds are so beautiful, you don't need to seal them. That's what I love about the top companies that I love. You don't have to seal them so that the diamonds stay in place. All right, I want to tell you about my giveaway coming up. We have reached over 1,000 subscribers. Yay! I hope you're one of them. If not, click like and subscribe below. And every once in a while, I do giveaways. Very soon, I'll be doing a big blowout giveaway with full kits, with collections, with utensil, tools and things like that, and little knick-knacky things that I have. I have way too much. I love giving stuff away. I'm going to be doing it live, and I will announce the date of the live to the members, to those who have signed up for the giveaways. Now, it's free to sign up. All you have to do is go down into the description box below, click on giveaway questionnaire, fill out the questionnaire, email it back to me at wandasworkbasket@gmail.com. I don't give these addresses away. They're private. They stay only with me. And it also has your preferences so that if I put your birthday on it too, make sure, because I want to know next year I'm going to be doing Happy Mail every month. And Happy Mail to those whose birthdays are in that month. I don't want to know the year, whatever. I don't need the date. I don't need all that stuff. Just your month and your preferences. And I do other crafts on this channel too, so if you're interested in kind of cross stitch or quilling or paint by number or junk journaling or scrapbooking, blah, 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 blah. I have lots of that stuff to give away too. I'd love to know what other crafts that you're into as well. All right, is there anything else I need to add? Oh, visit my Etsy shop for cover minders and goodies. It's Wandasworkbasket at Etsy.com. And I think that's it. A beautiful hint of spring in the middle of fall, sliding into fall. But I love color. Always makes me happy.
What day is the live gonna be?
I don't know what day the live is going to be. I'm going to practice first, and maybe you can help me practice.
Can I be in the live with you?
Absolutely, you can be in live with me. I'm going to need help because I'm going to need help picking up the kits and showing them and all that stuff so that they know what they're winning.
That's awesome.
Yeah, and you can punch the numbers to see the random number come up. So, but you can't be participating in the live if you don't have the giveaway questionnaire filled out. So far, I only have 60 people on the list. Are you the next one? I hope so. Bye, divas. Say bye, diva.
Bye.